Hi, Daffodil. Yeah, you're a shy girl. You're so shy, but you can be friendlier. You're a sweet girl. Yeah, that's a sweet girl. Yeah. Oh. The orange men above you really want out, but they're too small. They're not ready yet. They're too small. You're just, I know. Oh, you're sleepy up there. I'm afraid to move the water bowl because I don't want to scare you. You don't gotta be so shy. Are you purring? You're not purring. No purring. Well, you look like you're enjoying it. Someone's being spicy. Oh my goodness. It's not. Oh my goodness.